So we got some super cold weather down here in the south. We're in zone 8A. So I'm going to show you what I decided to protect in the garden and show you what they look like. So all I did is take hoops or whatever I could find, and I just stretched plastic over them. So here we have our cabbage. We got several of those, and we got them all protected. They're doing very well. Cabbage tastes very well in cold months. So all we have is just a couple of hoops and some plastic over them. And so far, they have done very well. And here, this is the same frame as the clear plastic was. And this is leftover 6 mil greenhouse plastic. So I just draped it over it and put something heavy on the end. Now this is the Japanese flowering kale. It's done very well. Just giving this plastic, giving a little extra layer of protection. This is our spinach. Looks real well. Now this is just a frost blanket. It's not as thick as the plastic, but it's protecting them. You can see this whole row here is 2 rows of turnip green. You can see some of them here got their head sticking out. Let's see what they look like under the snow. Yep, they don't look bad. They'll actually taste a whole lot better since they went through this extreme cold. Now, snow can be an insulating factor when it gets on top of your plants. It actually will be a whole lot warmer under the snow than it would be on top. But if you can, put some plastic under them just to give a little extra layer of protection. It'll help you in the long run. My cabbage and kale has been through the ringer. We've got more cold blast, and they didn't look real good because I didn't have them covered. And I love cabbage in the wintertime, so I want to make sure to protect that. So you can cover your plants when you get extreme cold weather, and it will help protect them. So it doesn't really matter what you protect them with. Just try to get something over them. And remember that when the sun pops out and you got them covered up, and you can put them in a heater, so make sure you open up the ends and give them some little bit of air circulation so that the temp doesn't get too high. So if you want to grow through the winter, there is certain things you can do. Hope this helps.